One more one banana.
Oh, I want to go kakra. I will start a bank kakra.
Dear hand about. One
It
me
is
be. Oh yeah. Next time let's work of California and as a way. And Arizona. That's Arizona.
it is well obeyed.
That's Arizona. Oh dear, or she only win. I haven't. So you can't call your winner what chat no.
Yeah.
First no winner. On na you say analyzing. Yes, start here.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
See, here's the question. Okay.
Maybe okay.
Mhm. Introduction to the visualization. That's where we're going to start.
Okay. Hannah, you drew it, right?
Yes.
Okay. And take you funnel one after the other. Maybe say you rush it through. Huh. And also then after analyzing data, we can already see the key insights that will inform our stakeholders and steer critical business decisions, which is the job done right. So not quite. One of the most important responsibilities of a BI analyst is translating insights back from the world of numbers to the world most people are usually in. So one of the best ways to do that is with what data visualization. Into chat name we na be creating. And then ebe boy and you to be. Yeah, no like a clear picture of what is happening. Now and say yeah, sure we are is this a good way to show the distribution? And say, for example, you can plot the actual numbers using a histogram or other visualizations, but how should we visualize the categorical variables? And say categorical variables, one of them, a purchase amount, and a numeric, which is number, quantitative. Kotoka may explain the variables, no kotoka. So one of the main things to visualize the distribution of data, how it is spread or arranged. So you have 4 columns in our data set. And the 3 of them are category, those who use promo code and those who are on the mailing list. So that's when
Yes.
as we check on I mentioned into your core a data set that click data sales data or click sales data now. It's a category, your product, now your service, right? And now you will use promo code. You will yes, you will no. Now you is on mail list. And so you will yes, now you will no. Can see a categorical variable. It is something about to be a grouping. And there is a male, female categories. Then interest say male no, a superior to female. And a female no, a superior to male. Into boys, girls. Into maybe about to me wobɛtumi aka sɛ okay mede groupi nneɛma no na ɛfrɛ dɛ categorical variable wate aseɛ we okay with that
Yeah.
okay nti yɛnkɔ back to the way no
So our win variables is all means about like numbers, numerical, right? There's to be a variable.
nti yɛka sɛ biribi yɛ variable a ɛyɛ biribi a change it varies
Exchange it varies.
nti
I said, okay. It's
nti
not
ɛma
like
sɛ
a fixed
yɛka
one.
x ɛnyɛ fixed nti
Okay.
bi a yɛka x a math de bi a yɛsua math a find x find y de bi a sɛ wobɛfind x wobɛfind y bi a number no ɔte sa nti ɛyɛ variable it varies wate aseɛ nti yɛnkɔ yes nti na yɛwɔ purchase amount nti wɔte purchase amount na ɛyɛ number Nti number say no betumi akan to no so dey a quantitative. What I wanna say? Okay, TM brother. Nti eba down kakra, on say yes, and I day no. And we shall count of mail list. Omo kan yes no. Okotopa, wohwe data na wohwe graph na ɛwɔ hɔ na omo kan yes no is between 500 and 1,000. It's around maybe let's say 700. No more can no. Omo ni mailing list no. A little bit above what 2,000 into omo no a dozen. And so which way now it gives you an idea. Say okay, promo code na you're running here. Omo na omo mailing list and so no musa. But be brain any mailing list. So it gives you an idea. So okay, this is what is happening. Into a quine pen able to me for so. I able to me edit or more ni mailing list no. Have a mailing list no so. So then mobile mailing list as well. To me a promo code na you be sending them. So it will inform them and help them buy more of nema na yeton. What I say?
Okay.
Into say yeah, this analysis should more mailing list so. No more in the mailing list so. And then say you call data set so. So we are create. Now you should say you be to me create ya. And then you data set. And which I won't say it's on mail list. Which is yes and no. Then I say you kind. And they say, oh, kind. If I be count if. And then a formula I be using to count. Until we are counting a range into the column no, and in a range no. Until you count the number of yeses na ɛwɔ hɔ. Na yɛ de ato hɔ. You say I counted the number of no's na ɛwɔ hɔ. Then say yɛ de ato hɔ. What am I making as it? Until you bet to me akɔ ebi column F no. Na yɛabɔ is on mail list as the title. What does it? Into on mail list.
Okay.
To be to me on mail list. On mail list. How about down? On mail list. On mail list. Until you say kind the number of yes and the number of words no. Until the yes and the beshel. Till you down which is F2, yeah, the yes beshel.
Okay.
And brother the next cell. The next cell.
Okay. Next cell. Okay.
So yeah, the yes beshel. Now you call the next cell. Now you the no shell. And you ever go to the column G, now you type it at the top. Frequency. And the frequency yeah, you ever say kind of the number. Frequency. 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 FRE. And so I made it R. Frequency. Nti yɛbɛba yes no na yɛde formula no nhyɛ hɔ. Nti yɛwɔ formula a yɛfrɛ no count if. But usually I prefer say be Excel so that wobɛte formula no ase. Yɛn yɛba Google sheet. Na wɔde aba abɛhyɛ mu ha. Nti bi wɔ Excel no ɛwɔ wɔ system no so. Microsoft Excel. Good. Nti when you have TSC, and I was okay. In the beginning of data analysis, BI analyst, also to mean a strong foundation in Excel. So you have the Excel account, then later Tableau visualization will come in. And that should even be the last thing I ever hear. Into column A,
Yeah.
column
Okay.
we okay.
Yeah, so now we can the Excel, then SQL,
S yes, SQL.
SQL. Okay.
SQL. No?
SQL.
Ah,
Yeah, because
that is
that's my
it.
major preference.
In the ultimate Excel now see I'm moving to SQL, any problem. But when we need a solid foundation in Excel, then it becomes a problem. I just get. And at the top, BB is on mail list. It's on mail list. Mail list. Okay. Now call A2. A2. Now from A2 to A10, but yes, no, yes, no. A10. Yes, no, yes, no. How person we any be say no, 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 yes, yes, yes. Or the fra.
Okay.
Obo enter. To obo enter the call and say click it. Just obo enter the call. Obo enter. Obo enter. Men click it, obo enter on the keyboard. No, yes. Obo enter. There be just type.
Enter.
Type it again. What type and
Oh,
what
okay.
enter. And person will click it. Yes. Obo enter. They call the
Okay.
next cell.
Okay.
Yes, no, yes, no. The fra. Yes, yes, no, no, yes, yes, no, no. Okay, 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 good. In the ever be use count if no, that kind the number of years is now ewo from A2 to A12. What is it? In the column C, na yem pass a formula no, and share. So C2, yenko C2. Nti wobɛkɔ formulas nti wokɔ formulas at the top wobɛkɔ formulas tab na wakɔ insert function on your left.
Okay.
Dabi formulas wɔ a wokɔ formulas wɔ a kɔ formulas na wakɔ to your left insert function fx na ɛwɔ hɔ no on your
Okay.
left wokɔ right left insert function those are your count if or right
Yeah.
count if nti once a count if na ɛwɔ hɔ no wohwɛ hɔ a click count if no click so nti wo click so wo sɛ yɛatwerɛ biribi wɔ hɔ it counts the number of cells ɛpɛ sɛ wo readi nea ɛwɔ da hɔ it counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition what is it nti ɔkyerɛ formula anaasɛ the syntax nti range ne thing. So the range is the cells from which you want to count non-blank cells. What is it? And the range, share your sheet in as well. Range na you say you count cells are any empty, which is non-blank cells. And if you look at it, range now will say you select it from what? A2 to what? A12. And what the mouse and the click it from A2 to A12. Now what's selected? Now I click it all the way down. Click here, also will select it all the way down. Once automatically no aba formula ni mo range no. What is here? Now what about the next argument, which is what criteria? So we click it criteria no. So I'm asking click criteria no. The criteria being na wo pese wo count it. Pese me count it then. Yes. In the yes na also what is inverted commas mo. What is it? Nti mehwɛ this range, ɛpɛ sɛ me count only yes for ne pɛ. Nti fa apostrophe na fa bra ansa na wabɔ wo yes no ahyɛ na wabɔ wo yes na we close no nti woyɛ no click then done automatically won say amount say ɔmo yɛ dodoɔ sɛn 6 nti that same formula no wo sesa criteria na wo de no hyɛ hɔ a ɛbɛma wo answer no nti click inside na fa no hyɛ hɔ within the criteria na wayɛ no na wabɔ then enter or done sɛ ama wo 5 nti number of yeses no ɛyɛ 6 number of no no so ɛyɛ then 5 so in total no yɛwɔ 11 what records what am make an say what I say nti wei yɛ when na ebia wankasa wode yes na ɛhyɛ hɔ na wode no no ɛhyɛ hɔ but ebia wompɛ ne saa wopɛ sɛ wouse biribi a yɛfrɛ no cell reference nti with the cell reference no yɛbɛkɔ column B 2 na yɛatype yes no wɔ hɔ nti bɔ yes no hyɛ hɔ na yɛba column B3 na yɛtype no na watype no wobɔ no no hyɛ hɔ a now yɛbɛsesa formula no nti kɔkɔ click C2 no C2 na yɛnkɔ sesa formula no nti instead of no no yɛbɛyi no no efiri hɔ wobɛdelete biribi efiri hɔ wobɛyi biribi efiri hɔ clear biribiara
Okay.
biribiara mfiri hɔ with the quotation in here nti criteria no we will use a cell instead of typing yes nti cell na yes no wɔ hɔ no ɛyɛ then cell wobɛtumi akɔ click so B2 nti kɔ click so
B2 yeah
those are B2 ba bɛhyɛ hɔ nti bɔ enter done those are amount 6 we use a cell reference wagya deɛ nti B2 no yɛ relative nti wonya aka sɛ woyɛ autofill a automatically no the next formula na ɛbɛba no ɛbɛsesa from B2 to what C2 mepɛ sɛ woyɛ biribi na mehwɛ adeɛ nti wɔn sɛ wohwɛ range na range no yɛ A2 to what A12 what range na ase A2 to A12 now yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔyɛ autofill kɔ click at the bottom right of the C no na click it down click and drag so click now drag here it's too much baby I know no one eye okay it's fine nti yɛnhwɛ adeɛ wɔ ha nti click within section no click section na hwɛ adeɛ section no the number 6 na kɔ wo formula bar no na click within the formula bar the answer is equal to COUNTIF no and then a formula bar top there be top and kasa top of C nti click within the A2 and A12 na hwɛ biribi wɔ wɔn sɛ highlight here ma there's a selective range na ɛkyerɛw sɛ mehwɛ saa range wei na ma count yes a mehu wɔ saa range wei no wade adeɛ nti sɛ mekɔ the next cell a enter na kɔ the next cell enter na san so click inside na hwɛ nea ɛsi click inside once asesa to A3 to A13 nti yɛfrɛ biribi absolute referencing na yɛfrɛ biribi relative referencing nti wei ne yɛ relative referencing nti as a wo drag a formula no the formula no will also be changing as you move down each row but enter na hwɛ adeɛ na kɔ the next cell C3 na click inside within the formula
this is 6-3 okay that's 6-4
nti wo click here wo sɛ a movie
okay
nti ɛyɛ saa na yɛbɛyɛ mistake because yɛpɛ sɛ yɛ range no ɛyɛ fixed Until person range near fixed, that is when you put $sign
dollars.
before the A and after the A. So before the letter, after the letter, so that catch Excel say me per se we a fixed range in the men's, but me yes and no need I was into from B A B R 2 I was say could be 3, which we understand. What is it? Into young formula from the first one. Into your baby a 6 and a 1. Near escape, Debbie, near escape on the keyboard. I answer, that could be a 6 and a 1. Not click within the formula. See, over to me a highlight A2 to A12. Now we me a F4, but we see MacBook, so I'm not familiar with MacBook
I think
4.
it's
Why F4
I
also?
think it's F4. Yeah, no, F4. The last time we said
Okay,
F4 or F11, something like that.
okay. So F4, press it. It being what they are
Okay.
one support $sign
Okay.
before
Yeah.
and after.
Okay. $100 over 100.
Okay, into what the $sign into here A sounds so session before the A for $sign should before the A.
Okay. That's what I want to ask. I
Uh-huh.
said before the
Uh-huh.
A.
Yeah, before and after. Until I say yeah, lock, Then you do the same for the A12 as well. A12, Then it will be before, then after the A. Now but enter. Now kona kosa so koye autofill from the 6, Now clicking
So
and dragging
everything. Okay.
all the way down na shania yebihuwa. And now kona ko click C2. Click C2 no. C2. Now click within the formula bar. Click. Was all click was unlocking. But enter. Now call the next. Enter. Now click view. Click within the formula. The formula.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh. Was a range in unlocking.
Okay.
But because a B column no lock in it, it will keep changing B4, B5, B6. But a honey tree into what's it absolute and a relative reference and I say.
Relative person. Yeah.
Into the amount of range, I was ultimately locking range, by using the $sign to lock the range. Then maybe you can
Okay.
make the B column an absolute, no, B column as a relative reference because you're making reference to what is in the cell, yes and no.
No.
But yeah, it's the call back to the data set. This is what a COUNTIF I say. And
Yeah.
we are taking it to Google Sheet. This is an episode you use the number on mail list. And the number on mail list na you basically kind. This is what in COUNTIF, right?
Yeah.
The ball COUNTIF in share na share.
Yeah.
COUNTIF. And the COUNTIF, the first argument now say a selective range, right?
Range. So
So click it, range and it starts from C2.
because
It's on mail
that's
list, C2. And to open so quickly, I'll click C2 no so no command shift and down arrow. Command shift. Once I see no down arrow to select all the way down quickly. There be why an up arrow. Was automatically
down.
select all the 3,000 rows. It's a range, right? But range now was a yema fixed. Into how do we make it an absolute reference? Into the formula bar.
Formula back.
Now what the $sign I day. Into formula bar. What the $sign a show. Debbie. We have a mistake. Click. dollar sign. So before and after, then before the C and after the C.
Let me give it this side.
Now we start it from. Those are one locking. And will be the
So
first
enter.
argument, the range. How do I say? It's the range, then comma.
Within
To be me a comma.
the formula. Okay.
And after the 3001.
Okay.
Now I click it inside. That's how I click it first. It's the next argument, there. Once your question mark be and click is a question mark be near because this is Google Sheet so that you'll understand how and so a was the amount range. So the next is what criterion. It's a criteria by na you use. And what click it after the comma. No? Do click it after the comma now. No, click it F2 because of now yes and no. What are they? And click after the comma first. Don't click it after the comma. No, click it with yes and no. On mail list, no. There be
Okay.
near F2. There be F2
Or
because
F2.
you per se into F2 no na you per se analysis no.
Oh, okay.
Into
So
we
to
are
get
picking
this
the
right.
yes no. To share that creative way on the right so that we can make reference to only the yes and the no. Now you're counting from the column. What is it? Into click yes no. So click yes now, a bema cell reference, which is F2. Now you close the bracket. To close the brackets now, no enter. To enter amount 807. So automatically I suggest say autofill. No click it.
Yeah.
Check box no. Then so I am. What I say? Do you click it within the formula bar now? To click it within the formula bar. What click it once I am fixed, but I pick it no. Do click it G2 no so I am fixed. And so I pick it no. That's all boy enter first before you click it no. That's all boy enter. Enter. And so best say formula. Then you go and click on G2. Then so what click it G2 or G3 to go G2. G2. Then so what click it. What click you best what's the formula na say. What are there? What are
The
there?
same about when no matter click your formula
I have so that we be how what selective range and maybe say also I highlight amount but
Oh,
selected this
okay.
range. Then get
Okay.
F2.
Okay, so we click style no so Eddie will
Mm-hmm.
formula where then I click it when I highlighted the new your form cells in normal.
That is it. So that we be who send your Y and one.
Okay.
Now about enter. This is here you to me a kind. Into how do we visualize this? And then I will be highlighting the range, from F to G is on mail list up to until from F1 to G3. F1, there be
From
F1,
the top one.
including the
F
title.
yeah.
F1 to G, G is okay. So say insert a chart.
Okay.
Into call insert. Into call insert. Say your chart. It suggest the pie chart. Then pie chart. And you bet me I click a drop down. Yeah, select maybe a pair. Column chart.
Frequency on. Okay.
So click
Column
here.
size frequency low.
That
Favorite.
is it. That is it. So click here. Also the amount come up. Into yes or no. So graph na you here. And one of which we create to hand here.
Frequency 100.
So it's get difficult.
I do what's your fire? Where you? I say.
So also to me te nea woyɛ no ase. Nti ha sɛ na ebetumi aka sɛ okay, yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbetumi afɔmate yɛ chart na ɛho a. Nti ebi a yɛwɔ aggregate bi, click na hwɛ nea ɛbɛyɛ. Saa na yɛde sua adeɛ. Aggregate bi ɛwɔ hɔ on your right. On your right no, chart ha editor no, what's aggregate wɔ. Click na hwɛ ade. Nti ayɛ okay, aggregate no, so okay, yɛnkɔ down. Yɛhwɛ series. Add series no. Add series na menhwɛ adeɛ. Okay, frequency, so it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Just leave it. Now you can customize. Once a customize, no, all right. At the top, customize. Maybe I wanna. Into your series, your legend. Your chat and access title. Your chat style. Do click a chat style now. At the end, I will. So I'm busy using out. The chat style. Then I'll say we. Open chat border color. Open background color. But to me as a son, no I share. Into any aesthetics be a while just to suit the narrative. Look at me pick a color, no I share.
Let me see.
Color being
that's the border. The border line.
Border no.
Okay. The background
color.
Pick
a color being a shade.
Okay.
Into
and the default then maybe I want
default
area.
Area.
Okay.
But we be saying I don't think so it's proper. Into it's a background color. It will create a chart. So you can explore these options. And as a BI analyst, also Excel skills, So you're okay with that? Nearby series, a legend, over series, na DNA into frequency, over down columns,
line,
clicking at area.
And we have
into yes and no, columns. Until click here, you get to see all these options.
The type
click
of distance. Okay.
And the click line. Your line. Into yes one will form
area.
The yes one any.
Have the auto color.
The fill color. But to me as a sun. Line color. Or to me as a sun. To scroll the corner one you can see.
Line dash.
So I'll click here.
Line dash.
You don't really see anything.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going.
See,
and
the right. Okay.
Say what your data labels.
Data window. Okay.
Now your left axis. Work on a data label. Check a data label. Our top. The numbers in the swam 827. What is there? Into value, position. Into we move now, your name over explore later no what to be asset. Now we explore. What is there?
Because how they call counter, that is it. No, exactly. Okay.
Into sum, because you pay the total. No? COUNTIF. What is there?
Yeah. Okay, the data level. So thank you so much. No, yeah, half. No, now you better 1.5. Yeah, okay.
No problem. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, because I just wish me after that. See, remember me, we are focus on when because me say when the starting point. Because how you we are BI when the starting point out. Be why you the beginning. Bet me
That is it.
As now what do you
So which
imagine?
me,
Because me can't say no imagine your wins, yeah. That
which me
absolute and
stop sharing.
reference. Okay.
You can stop sharing.
All right. What's my lesson?
Is what a count if I say?
Yeah.
Is what a absolute reference? What a relative reference? Think a crank a build the scales, Until later, no be count ifs, some ifs, average ifs. And to what he has to say now, we SQL. Who understanding, no? Into what transfer? Is simple.
Simple.
But as ha, think a crank a crack, you be draw. So what he has to say now, when you scale now, okay, interviewer, why not? He'll give you the job because maybe going to now be some questions. I'm making a may and I think I will answer you in a way because I say if you man on in New York. But I'd say boot camp, I'll rush you through.
You're going to help me to succeed my dream job. I know.
Aha, you'll get it. You'll get it. Yami admin to sponsor
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Let me watch
Mate.
now. Or some my way earlier notice before. The
Yeah, that
master
is
and
it.
so it's not
Mate.
the matter. I bear 1.5. There.
No
He said,
problem.
yeah, I have to
No.
be consistent.
Yes, consistency, no.